Tired of fumbling for your credit card every time your Mint Mobile bill is due? Well, today I'm going to show you how to link Apple Pay to your Mint Mobile account, making payments a breeze. Let's jump right in. First, open the Mint Mobile app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into your account. You should see your current plan details and data usage on the main screen. Next, navigate to the Account tab. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, often represented by a person icon or the word Account. Tap on it. In the Account section, you're looking for payment method. Scroll down until you find it. Once you do, tap on Add Payment Method. You should see several payment options. Look for the Apple Pay option. It will likely have the Apple Pay logo next to it. Tap on the Apple Pay option. Your iPhone will now prompt you to authenticate through Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to confirm linking your Apple Pay account. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify. Once authenticated, Apple Pay will be linked to your Mint Mobile account. You should see Apple Pay listed as your default payment method. You'll likely get a brief confirmation message too. And that's it. You've successfully linked Apple Pay to your Mint Mobile account now. When you pay your bill or renew your plan, Apple Pay will be readily available, making the process quick and easy. Enjoy the convenience and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mint Mobile tips and tricks.